Okay, so I'm going to, this wall, we just fixed it. We knocked the whole thing down and put it back up, so it was damaged. All right, so anyway, I'm gonna do a video showing y'all how I'm gonna put, I already put a strip on there. You see it back there? Okay, it's wallpaper. I got it from Amazon. First, I'm going to put, with a paintbrush, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna edges and all of it, and then I'm gonna lay it down, but then I'll show you the results after I'm finished. This is the beginning, and then I'll show you how it's gonna look.